at my snack. Let's take that about. Wow. There it is. A race car video. That's what adds it. Let's taste it. So good. 10 out of 10. I love it. Thanks, Kit Kat, for loving me. Thanks. Actually, there are nuts in it, but I'm not allergic to nuts. I'm allergic to chocolate, but I still survive in loving Kit Kat. Actually, who swelled up? You don't want to know. The ship is sinking. No. Just kidding. It was fake blood, but it tastes good. Love it. Okay, by the way, bye guys. End of long game.